Okay, sir.
So let us see what's the working load, what is the definition, what is the condition, and how to solve those problems. Exact differential equation. We did this one before.
No, sir.
Okay. So the definition says that, look at the definition. An equation is of the form an equation of the form an equation of the form mdx plus n dy. An equation is of the form mdx plus n dy is equal to 0, where this capital M and capital N are, where this capital M and are capital N are functions of x and y. It means the value of m and n should be in terms of x and y. Okay,
Okay, okay, sir.
is said to be is said to be exact is said to be exact differential equation. Okay, though the form should be mdx plus ndy. Now next step, how to solve those type of questions. That is, what is the working rule for this one? How the steps we have to apply for this one? Because it is the first class, so I don't want to take a risk. I want to go each and every step and in detail. That
Yes,
is,
sir.
you have to convert. This is step number one when solving. Put the differential equation. Put the differential equation in standard form. In standard form. How much? Yes. That is, what is the standard form? mdx plus ndy is equal to
MDX
0.
plus NDY equal to 0.
That is, step number one is this one. We have to put in the standard form. Then this is very important. That is, we have to check the condition of exactness. Dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. This is called a important condition, and I will put the star mark of this. If this condition is not satisfied, we have to stop our process immediately. This one we say that it is not exact. Then we are moving to
Okay.
the third step after it is confirmation that if this condition is satisfied, means if you differentiate the value of m with respect to y partially and the value of n with respect to x partially, both of them are equal, then only we can move to the next step for writing the solution. The solution
Yes,
is
sir.
the solution is that is integral of, okay, I think I should write here. Solution is integral of mdx plus ndy, integral of mdx plus integral of ndy is equal to constant, but we do not simply write down like that. While integrating this part, we have to treat y as a constant, y as a constant,
Okay.
y as a constant, and for n, here terms not containing x, मतलब x नहीं है, so terms को integrate करना. Terms
Okay.
not containing x, because already we said that m and n are the functions of x and y, so not containing x. This is all about the working rule. We shall move on to the problem immediately. So we have to convert the differential equation in standard form, and then we have to check the condition of exactness. and then we have to write the solution. So let us do it one question so that you will get the idea what we have to do it. The question says that simply it is not anywhere mentioned to solve the exact differential equation. क्वेश्चन में कहीं भी आपको ये मेंशन नहीं रहता कि ये डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन एग्जैक्ट है, ये लीनियर है, ये बर्नौली है, ये रिकार्टी है, वट एवर इट इज, इट
Yes,
शुड
sir.
नॉट बी मेंशन एनीवेयर. We should know the standard form of all
Yes.
the first order differential equations. So it is given solve 3x square plus 2 into e to the power of y, 2 into e to the power of y dx plus 2x e to the power of y, 2x e to the power of y plus 3y square dy, 3y square dy is equal to 0. This is the question. Now we have to write the solution, and I don't want to make you in a trouble that the first question, I don't want to take a tricky question. A simple question only I
Yes,
am
sir.
taking. Look at that. Our question will
Sir,
be,
then,
yeah,
sir, then from question, how do we identify like which property do we need to apply?
yes, that's what I'm
Like
telling you.
exact
This is
Bernoulli.
the first problem now. That's what I'm telling in detail. The first problem, we have to check whether our problem will be of this form or not.
Okay.
If it is in this form, then we say it is exact. For linear, for the second topic, I'll tell you how to identify that. Do you
Okay, sir.
understand? First, write down given
Yes,
here
sir.
3x square plus 2 into e to the power of y of dx plus 2x e to the power of y plus 3y square dy. So now if you see our question of this form now, which form it is of the form mdx,
Index plus ndy is
yes,
equals to 0.
n dy is equal to 0. As I said, our m and n r should be the functions of x and y. So that condition must also satisfied. M is in terms of x and y, n is also in terms of
Yes.
x and y. So now
Yeah.
we have to compare this one and write down the values of m. Our m value will be equal to now 3x square plus 2 e to the power of y. Now this value of m we have to differentiate partially with respect to y, because first step is done, the standard form is done. Let me check the condition of exactness.
Yes.
Exactness condition. So let me check it. What is the meaning of this symbol dou? Dou means it is we are doing
Past.
partial differentiation with respect to y. It means
Yes,
partial,
sir.
the word itself indicates that we are differentiating for the term y only, treating x as a constant.
Okay, sir.
Look at that. In this total term, we don't have any y term. So this total term will be treating as a constant. So we are
Okay.
not going to differentiate this one. This 2 will be a constant we can write down as it is. E power y differentiation must be e power y only. Like I said last class, e power x differentiation is e power x. So e power y
Yes.
differentiation is e power y only. Similarly, n value is what here? 2x e to the power of y plus 3y square. Now let us see when I am differentiating partially the value of n with respect to x, what I am getting the answer. 2 is a constant. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. E power y again a constant, plus in this term we don't have any x term, so it is 0. So what answer I am getting here? 2 into e to the power of y. So look at that. Dou n
Yes.
by dou y value is 2 e power y. Dou n by dou x is also equal to 2 e to the power of y. It means this equation number 1 is exact differential equation. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, dou m by dou y, dou m by dou y must be equal to dou n by dou x. It means that, therefore, what do you say? Equation number 1 is exact. Equation number 1 is exact. Now, once it is done, that its condition is satisfying, immediately we have to write the solution of this one and let us end it the problem. So let us write the solution. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
the solution is your pharmacy student, no?
No, sir, I'm engineering student.
Engineering, sorry. mdx plus ndy, integral of mdx plus integral of ndy is equal to constant. Now integral of the value of m is what here? 3x square. Okay, this step I'll be go to the next page because we don't have the sufficient space here.
Okay.
Integration of mdx plus integration of ndy is equal to constant. That is integral of the value of m is what? This value completely, 3x square plus 2 e to the power of y. 3x square plus 2 e to the power of y of dx plus, see, we'll do some smart work here. For the value of n, what is the condition? Terms not containing x. We should integrate the terms, we should integrate those terms only where we do not have any x. Look at this, the value of n is totally this one. इसमें ऐसा वो कौन सा
Yes.
टर्म है जिसमें x नहीं है? 3y square ना?
3y square. Yes, sir.
That we have to write here. Integral of 3y square dy is equal to constant. Now, here smart work is what? We have to treat y as a constant. Understand? So 2 is a ordinary
Okay, sir.
constant. Y is the e power y is a constant. See,
Yes.
3 as it is outside. Integration of x
Yes.
square dx. Plus normally we are taking 2 also outside. Here the condition is y also constant. So e power y totally a function should be taken outside. So 1 dx is left. Plus here 3 is a constant, take it out. Integration of y square dy. If you are the student of engineering, you can easily understand what I am going to tell you here in this problem.
Okay, sir.
X square integration is, what do you say? X cube by 3. You know the formula, x power n formula? X power n plus 1
Yes,
by n
sir.
plus 1 plus
Yes, sir.
2 into e power y as it is. Integration 1 dx is x.
Yes, sir.
X plus 3 into integration of y square is y to the power of 3 by 3. That is equal to constant. This 3 must be cancelled. This 3 must be cancelled. Finally, my answer is, I want to write in a different way, that is x cube plus y cube plus
Plus
2x
2e.
e power y is equal to constant is our final answer.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Over there, how did we get 1 dx?
This one, na?
Yes,
Here,
sir.
na? So
No,
look at
no. Below that,
this
1
one.
dx after 2. Yes, sir.
Okay, that step we'll be doing here once again. Look at that. 3x square plus 2 e to the power of y. For this function, we have to integrate, right?
Yes, sir.
Now look at that. 3 is an ordinary constant. Take out integration of
Yes.
x square dx as it is. So plus 2 is again a constant. But in this
Yes.
exact differential equation, we said that y is a constant. So y is a constant means e power y is also a constant. So totally
Yes.
e power y also will come. So nothing is left there. So nothing is left
Yeah.
means 1 is left.
Yes.
Okay, that's what like that. It means one more
Okay.
step if you want to do it. Let us
Okay,
integrate
sir.
this one separately like this. 2 into e power y dx. The integral will go to this term and the integral will go
Yes,
to
sir.
this term. I'm integrating separately. This is
Yes.
as it is 3 into x power 3 by 3
Yes.
plus 2 is a constant. As a rule, we said that e power y also a constant. Both of two terms will outside means nothing is left. That is 1 dx left.
Yes.
That's what it is plus 2 e power y into x. And here it is cancelled. These are the remaining steps. Understand?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Moreover, I will send you the recording also. You can see the recording. You can go through the recording again, and again, so that what the concept we are doing, you can easily understand. So I hope you
Yes, sir.
understand the question number 1.
Yes, sir. I understood.
Next question, we can move on. For each topic, we'll do 4 to 5, 6 problem. The next question will
Okay,
be
sir.
this is second question. Solve. Second question it is. अच्छा आप पढ़ रहे किसमें लैपटॉप में या फोन में?
Tab, sir.
Tab से, very good. Y minus x plus 1 times dy minus y plus x plus 2 into dx is equal to 0. Okay, now as we know the steps, working rule, everything, now let us ask you the question. Solution में your first step will
Yes,
be
sir.
given. Let me write it given. In the given, we have to write as it is. Y minus x
Yes.
plus 1 dy, okay,
Yes, sir.
minus y plus x plus 2 into dx is equal to 0. Can you tell me whether our portion is mdx plus ndy form?
No, sir.
So to rearrange in mdx plus ndy form, what we have to do?
We have to first
And
write the second one minus y plus x plus
don't
2
forget minus
dx.
sign.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget minus sign. Most of the students are doing the mistake neglecting that minus sign. That if they neglect the minus sign, they won't get that dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Means condition of exactness will not be satisfied.
Yes, sir.
This one we have to compare with our standard form, that is mdx plus
mdx plus ndy is equals to c.
mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. So the value of m is what?
Minus in the bracket y plus x plus 2.
Can I write like this? Minus y minus x minus 2.
Yes. Yes,
Now
sir.
let us check the condition. Condition of exactness, dou m by dou y. With respect to y becomes 1, so minus 1 left. For these two remaining terms will become 0.
Yes, sir.
Now n is equal to what? Y minus x plus 1.
y minus x plus 1.
Let me check the condition of the exactness. Dou n by dou x partially with respect to x. So minus as it is, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So it means
Yes.
that it is satisfying the condition, that is dou m by dou y is equals to dou n by dou x.
So, sir, anything is there, number or if it's not even y, if you are differentiating with respect to y, then anything other than that will be 0.
That is called partial differentiation.
Okay,
With respect to y means it will work on y only. With respect to x means
okay,
it will
sir.
work on x only. Other than all the terms, it becomes 0.
Okay, sir.
मल्टीप्लाई में है तो एज इट इज रहता है. जैसे एग्जांपल x into y को आप डिफरेंशिएट करें, दिस x is 1, y as it is. But if you're doing for x plus y, the x becomes 1 and y becomes 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, be careful. This is the actual logic behind the differentiation. Okay. After doing completing engineering, also most of the student I had experienced that still they don't know the concept of derivative. One is exact. Now it is correct. One is exact.
Mm. Yes, sir.
So the solution is the solution is integral of mdx plus integral of n dy is equal to constant. And moreover, we know that here we have to treat y as a constant. Here we have to write the terms which are not containing x. That is integral of m value is, let me write this one better, minus y minus x minus 2. Minus y minus x minus 2 of dx plus integral of terms not containing x. X nahi hai, so terms y plus 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Y plus 1 dy is equal to c. Look at, when integrating, we have to treat y as a constant. So minus is a constant, y is a constant. Both will come outside. Integration for, we have to apply for all the terms. This one will be outside,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
1 dx left. Minus integration of x dx. I am applying integration for each and every term. Minus 2
Yes.
outside again, constant a. It's a 1 dx. Plus,
Yes, sir.
let here also we integrate individually. That is integration of y dy plus integration of 1 dy is equal to constant. So the answer will be minus 1 dx is x and y. So answer is
Yes,
xy.
sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus x matlab x power 1 here. The integration of x power 1 is x square by 2. N plus 1 by n plus 1 is the formula.
Yes, sir.
Minus 2 into integration 1 dx is x plus integration y means y power 1, y square by 2 plus integration 1 dy is y. 1 dx is x, 1 dy is y is equal to constant. You can either leave your problem here only, or if you want to write one more step, that is optional step, that we have to multiply every term with 2. That is minus 2xy. This is minus x square left off. It is becomes
Yes, sir.
minus 4x plus y square here left off plus 2y is equal to, this is actually
C.
becomes 2c, but the variation of constant doesn't matter. It may be c
Okay.
also, no problem. That is your answer. Okay,
Yes, sir. Okay.
you'll get 2c or c, no meaning. Constant we can write
Okay.
any time, anywhere. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं आप उसको.
Okay, sir.
Doesn't matter. Constant के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है. Okay, moving to the next question. Okay, I think you are understanding everything.
Yes, sir. I am.
Okay, next question will be going for trigonometry. Your heartbeat
Okay,
will
sir.
become more increasing. Why? Because we are doing trigonometry now. Trigonometry, differentiation, integration means students are afraid always. The next question will be solve dy by dx plus y. Y cos x plus sin y plus y. All divided by sin x plus x cos y plus x. And that is equal to 0. Now I want to make you something complicated, not complicated. क्वेश्चन इतना इजी भी नहीं आता अभी तक जो करे अपन, थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम को अलग साइड में करेंगे सॉल्व.
Okay.
Now tell me whether our question is in the standard form. No, of course not.
No, sir.
Let
Yes.
me write it in a standard form, then identify m and n, then differentiate partially, then check the condition of exactness, then write down the solution.
Okay, sir.
Start. Number one, step number one, given dy by dx.
Divided.
Let us start by reducing one step. Directly we can bring this plus value that side, becomes minus
Minus.
minus y cos x plus sin y plus y all divided by sin x plus x cos y plus x. Cross multiply. Cross multiply means you get sin x plus x cos y plus x of dy is equal to minus y cos x plus sin y plus y of dx. Minus we bring that side. So this problem I want to write like
Yes, sir.
this implies that minus will become here plus y cos x plus sin y plus y. अच्छा देखिए आपको पता चल जाता आप करेक्ट कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे. If you are doing everything correct, you will get the condition dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Otherwise, it is not equal. If it is
Sir,
not
every
equal,
time it will be equal.
no, if it is not equal, we say that it is non-exact differential equation, and we have total 5 methods to make it non-exact to exact.
Okay.
That also I will tell you. No problem. Sorry, I forget one step. बातों में एक step भूल गया. Here dx will come plus sin x. अभी तो जो क्वेश्चंस अपन कर रहे हैं, what we are doing now, these are
Yes, sir.
not non-exact. All exact differential equation only I am doing. अभी आपको मैं पहली क्लास में कंफ्यूजन में नहीं रखना चाहता. That's why. mdx plus ndy form. Is it mdx plus ndy form? Look at that. mdx
Yes, sir,
plus
it is.
ndy is equal to 0. So we already getting the values of m and n. That is m is equal to what here? Y cos x plus sin y plus y. Let me check it. The condition dou m by dou y. Amtur Rahman, switch on the fan here. Dou m by dou y is equal to. Look at that. Y becomes 1. So actually it will
Yes.
be getting like this. Y cos x means of 1 cos x plus sin y derivative is cos y plus derivative of y with respect to y is 1.
Yes, sir.
So now n value sin x
Cos x
plus
and
x
plus
cos
x
y
cos y.
plus x. Now let me check it. That is dou n by dou x. Differentiating partially with respect to x. That is sin x
Yes.
derivative is cos x plus x with respect to x is 1 and cos y is a constant plus x with respect to x
1.
is 1. Now if you notice cos x cos y plus 1 cos x cos y plus 1 means it is satisfying.
Yes.
Dou m by dou y is equals to dou n by
Dou n.
dou
Dou
x.
x.
Means what do you say? This our equation number 1 after simplifying some steps. Equation number 1 is exact.
X. Exact. Yes.
Therefore we say that 1 is exact. one is exact. Now the solution is integral of mdx plus integral of n dy is equal to constant. And don't forget the condition. For your convenience, let me write it once again. Here, y is a constant. Here, terms not containing x. Those terms only we have to integrate, where we do not have x. So let us continue. Integral of m value is y cos x plus sin y plus y. Y
Yes, sir.
cos x plus sin y plus y. This is dx plus. Now here, smart work. The terms which are not containing x. Oh, here x is there here. No, I'm not getting anything. That is 0.
Yes, sir.
I'm not getting a particular term where we do not have x. Sub mein x hai. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Finally, integrating this one, integration applying for each and every term. When applying for this one, treating y as a constant means y is pulled out. Cos x dx plus y is a constant means sin y is a complete constant, that is also pulled out. Sin y also outside, so
Yes,
1
sir.
dx again. And now again y is a constant, we'll pull out 1 outside, 1 dx
Yes.
is equal to c only. This is not required. Now look at y as it is. Integration of cos x is sin x.
Yes, sir.
No minus sign, derivative में होता plus 1 dx is x means x sin y plus 1 dx is x means xy is equal to c is your final answer. Okay, getting
Yes, sir.
the concept clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm giving you some questions. These are the questions, you have to do it and send it to me the solution. The question number 4
Okay,
will
sir.
be solve ax plus hy plus g times dx plus hx plus by plus f times dy is equal to 0. This is the first question. The question number 4 it is. Question number 5. Solve for 5x power 4 plus 3x square y square minus 2xy cube times dx. और मैं आपको थोड़ा इजी क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ. डोंट थिंक दैट डिफिकल्ट वाले मेरे को दे दिए, इजी वाले खुद कर दिए सर बोल के ऐसा.
Yes, sir. Sir, for the fourth one,
या
all those are alphabet constants, right?
हाँ, नो प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट हैपेंड? 2x रहने के बदले ax है, उससे क्या होने का है?
Okay.
कुछ भी नहीं होता. 3y की जगह by है. आंसर भी ए और बी के टर्म्स में आता आपको,
Okay.
है ना? जैसे
Yes, sir.
एग्जाम्पल सेकंड फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है, यहाँ पर भी ऐसा हो सकता था ना. 5x पावर 4 के बदले ax पावर 4 हो तो क्या प्रॉब्लम होता? कुछ नहीं होता ना जी.
Yes, sir.
आपने
Yes,
को
yes.
कंडीशन चेक करना है, सोल्यूशन लिखना है, बात खत्म. दिस इज द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट.
Okay, sir.
हर एक दे देता हूँ, और ये शायद आप नहीं कर सकेंगे, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। बट अगर आप कर सके, मतलब मैं आपको ये टॉपिक फिर रिपीट नहीं पढ़ाता हूँ, इसका मतलब आपको आ गया,
ओके सर।
ये क्वेश्चन का सोल्यूशन आ गया, मतलब आपको एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सॉल्व करना आ गया। बट आई रिक्वेस्ट टू यू डू इट बाय योर ओन। शायजा से किसी से भी हेल्प लेके मत करें।
यस सर, आई वांट।
e power x to the power of x by y by 1 minus x by y। नो प्रॉब्लम, एक टॉपिक को अपन 2 days कंटिन्यू कर सकते, ठीक है। अच्छा ये बोलिए मेरे को,
यस
आफ्टर
सर।
द आफ्टर दिस प्रॉब्लम आई वांट टू स्टॉप माय डिस्कशन। कैन यू प्लीज कॉल मी आफ्टर दिस क्लास? ओके।
ओके सर।